If your Xfinity modem is blinking orange light won't stop, your gateway is unable to establish a secure upstream connection with the network. This usually indicates a physical signal issue, not a service outage. First, check the back of your gateway. Unscrew the coaxial cable completely. Inspect the center copper pin on the cable to ensure it is straight and not bent, as a bent pin can cause connection issues. Then, screw the cable back into the modem firmly. A loose connection will instantly drop the return path frequency. Next, trace the cable to the wall. If it connects to a metal splitter, remove the splitter entirely. Connect the cable directly from the wall outlet to your modem. Damaged or cheap splitters degrade downstream power levels, leading to the orange sync loop. If the light is still orange, open the Xfinity app on your phone using cellular data. Select your internet equipment and tap Troubleshoot. Choose Restart Gateway. This forces a fresh frequency lock by sending a back-end provision command from Xfinity. If the app cannot find your modem, locate the reset hole on the back. Insert a paperclip, press and hold for 30 seconds, then release. This clears corrupt firmware caches that may be causing the lockup, and your system will reboot. Once the blinking orange light transitions to blinking white and then solid white, your upstream channels are bonded, and your internet is fully restored. Like and subscribe for more Wi-Fi fixes.